Ibrahim Traore has shocked African leaders again. Like umse ameamua kuwipe away electricity and water bills for the elderly people. So hii inamaanisha hivi, ameamua electricity and water bills zitakuwa free for the senior people in the society. So the elderly hawatakuwa wanalipa electricity bills na hawatakuwa wanalipa water bills, watakuwa wanaipata for free manze. Hii ni stuff inashtua to everybody, like every African leader. Like some things that you think are impossible, umse anazieka zikuwe possible manze. You can imagine. So if he is a friend to the elderly, he is a friend to our parents manze. This is the kind of leader that every other nation needs manze. So hivi unajua the elderly ndio mara nyingi wanakuanga wanapiga kura. Hadi hao majenzi unaona wanapiga hapa kelele. These people wanaongeanga TV on the social media, but kwa ground they don't go to vote. Unaona? So manze, the elderly ni people that should be taken care of. Unaona? So the presidents like Mr. William Ruto anafaa akue ametunza the elderly more than any other person. Unaona? So that the life expectancy ikue juu, cause hawa tu ndio huwa, you know, the people between 40 and 90 years, those are people who vote. The rest are my youth up if they don't vote. So you must take care of them. They have to praise you. They have to feel good. They have to live well. That's exactly what Burkina Faso President Ibrahim Traore is doing. Manze, big up to this man. Big up to this man.